Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today the modifications for the S2000 start. I've been waiting a long time for this, mainly because I bought them second hand and I had to respray them and stuff like that. I didn't show a video on that because my camera wasn't working. Typical, I know, but now it's all done and I'll be fitting them in the car. It will be such a big difference, I reckon, the way the car looks right now, and when I put the 17 inches on it, I think it's going to look so much better. Don't get me wrong, those 16s look very nice. I like the 5-spoke design, but a 17-inch alloy, I think it would change the car dramatically. Oh my god, that looks so fucking good. Oh, that is a meaty tyre. Love it. I'll do the same to all 4 other sides and I'll show you the end result. Oh, so good. So that's the end result, and oh my god, the car is looking nice. Just a little difference of just changing the alloys, it makes a massive difference on the car. It just looks so good. So that was the first mod. Now I'm out of ideas really. I don't know whether to do the exhaust or an air intake or lowering springs, because the car does look like it needs to be lowered. There's like what, 4 finger gaps in between the rims and the fender on the top. So yeah, one of those 3: exhaust, lowering springs, or an air intake. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and whatever you guys decide, I'll buy for the car. I just wanted to make it a bit more back and forth between me and you guys, but the car is looking so nice. I am loving this car. It will get there. It will be better than a Civic. Trust me. It will get there. So please like, comment and subscribe. Peace.